This is the brief on foundational energy principles that guarantee unique solutions in engineering and physics. So, whether you're looking at a static structure or a dynamic physical system, two principles are key: the principle of minimum potential energy and the energy method. They are absolutely crucial for proving your problem has one unique, stable solution. First, for static structures, what engineers build, we use the principle of minimum potential energy. It's the core of finite element analysis, or FEA. The idea is simple. A system will always find its lowest energy state, kind of like a spring settling down. This guarantees the answer you find isn't just stable, it's the only one. Second, for dynamic systems like the wave equation, which are modeled by PDEs, we use the energy method. And here's the brilliant part. The proof assumes two solutions exist and shows the error energy between them is perfectly conserved. So if that error starts at 0 and can't change, well, it stays 0. This confirms your solution is unique. Finally, what about systems that lose energy, like in the heat equation? The energy method still works, but it proves uniqueness through dissipation. Here, the error energy can only ever decrease, it never grows. Since it starts at 0 and can only go down, it must stay 0. The solution is unique because any error just fades away. So, these foundational methods just confirm that a system's stable state is always found by either minimizing its potential energy or dissipating its error.